So just parked up at Dinas Rock car park in Beacon, and I'm off to meet Chris, who is 120 odd miles into his 190 mile Nyth Ddraig adventure. Looking forward to seeing him and some of the others. But yeah, look at this. Let's stretch it out. Fucking beautiful. We got straight into a big climb. Courtney is a mile up the road in a lay-by in her van, so gonna go and catch up with her and then guide Chris back to checkpoint 10, or to checkpoint 10 should I say, and then get him to 11. It's rock and roll, baby. Whoop whoop.
I mean, I gotta run.
If you can run while I'm doing this footage, it'd be fucking great. That's actually pretty fucking good. We're 5 minutes from checkpoint 10. Chris is in great spirits, to be fair. You can start running if you really want to, Chris.
Right.
And he's decided to run. Oh no, he stopped. Good while it lasted.
Big zip, big U-shaped
We're
zip.
just getting ready to leave checkpoint 10.
Panicking.
Quote for your fans, Chris.
Quotes. Don't do this. No, do it. It's been amazing, it has. Everyone's come out, it's been just, I can't thank people enough basically. It's just, yeah, I'm in awe. And I'm gonna stop now, so before I cry.
Doing fucking well, mate. You're an absolute machine. Massive respect.
Good, mate. Thank you.
It's fucking lashing down.
Watch me fucking find it.
I'll try and find Dan now. Do it up there. It looks like a fucking drone shot.
Yeah. Shine off my head.
You are?
Get the shine off my head.
Shine off your head. Chris is moving so well that I was out of breath following him up the fucking hill. Absolute machine.
Up hills are fine, down hills. Like this is going to be like that. Yeah, I'll be alright.
Yeah. But you see, I'm just like, I need to run down this bit. So. Feel the weight of my pack.
About 12, 10 kilos?
About 10 kilos.
Yeah.
Well then, Chris.
Hitting every stone.
Yeah. You can feel them, can't you?
Right, we've got dry shoes the next stop.
Whoop whoop, say something to look forward to as well, innit?
Oh,
Yeah.
Sabina.
Yeah, and Sabina. We'll give you a 5 minutes, mate.
Yeah.
We won't talk about on camera what we talked about earlier, because children might watch the YouTube.
Yeah, my sister, like, and like this is probably the best fucking, most proudest thing I've ever done with my sister, like,
Yeah, I remember you finishing with her.
yeah, but honestly, one of the best.
Good bonding experience as well,
Yeah,
innit?
yeah. 250 mile with her, but fuck me.
Could you imagine doing that when you were kids, when you used to argue and stuff?
No, fucking,
I am fucking worried about that.
Here's the boy.
Only 140 miles in, let's go.
Only 105 miles in. Oh, you've got a pool on here. Being joined by Chris. Chris is doing the slam this year, which is incredible.
This is what slows me down, is finding the park in the mud.
If you can't go over it, you can't go under it. You got to go through it. Yeah, it's probably, you know these grounds, so it's like this now for a bit.
Great view, though, isn't it? Up until now.
Yeah, it's good.
There's no.
No, yesterday on the top.
Oh, I don't know.
Come on, Chris.
Also me.
Why the long face, Chris? You'd be pleased to know I think we're going through the gate and not up that path up there.
Oh my god.
It's proper bogging, this section. We're on our way to Penderyn. We'll get some whiskey. Shot of whiskey, get you to the next checkpoint.
Dan?
I got some of it, want some whiskey?
It's got some with him.
You have you?
Yeah, there's some Penderyn.
Ah, I was joking around and he's actually got whiskey. Have you got it in your thing? Ah, what a boy.
Want some?
No. Yeah, if you don't mind. Just seen Courtney now, he's flying. Fucking hell. Slow down.
Cat, this is.
This is for Kat. Kat said slow down because she's not ready. So that's urged him on.
Right, walk out, yeah. Hiking pace, so that's what I'm happy with. I'm 17.
So you've been doing 3 miles an hour, mate. It's banging.
I think you tell me if you do 2 miles an hour, I was like, I'm not doing that. I'm doing 3.
Here we go. Daytime finish, baby. Just make sure Kat will give you some tough love.
I know.
Luke will give you the soft love that you need as well. So you'll have like Jekyll and Hyde. You know.
Or Laurel and Hardy.
Laurel and Hardy.
This section.
We're on the way to checkpoint 11. Interview with your fans.
Hello. What do you want, sorry?
How would you describe this section in 3 words?
Oh, 3 words. Concrete, gravel, and tough. Every one of them's been tough. Only because I got 140 odd miles in my legs, but
It's a pretty valid excuse, to be fair.
pretty though. It has, well, this isn't, but it has been pretty.
We're on our way to Merthyr, the centre of the universe. Yeah, this is incredible. We actually had run really fast mile at one point. Cat's fault. Oh, proper trails now. You asked for mud, Chris?
Yeah, that's what I wanted. Set it up.
This way, son.
Rocky
I don't
stuff.
know. It's probably easier just to go
Yeah.
this way. Got a nice little river here. Very pretty.
So where you getting rid of it?
Alan,
Remember where you get rid of it?
do you want to get rid of it?
Yeah.
Fucking Lord, I think 3 years fucking,
Is that
3 years fucking, process, like.
getting a random shit conversation in this now? You? You're getting a random shit conversation in. But Japanese knotweed.
Yeah. Himalayan bolts and all that shit.
There's a method to my madness in filming. That it. Oh, I hope. You'll see later.
You don't like any river crossings around this, sir?
Yep.
You got real?
Yeah. Come down to Planducent, whatever it's called.
Understand?
That's the one. Instead of coming down the road, we came down the back and there's a river crossing.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Across. And I was like, I don't want my feet wet.
You didn't have to go. You didn't go for the stingy nettle field that we had it last
No.
year.
Suppose that, I thought it'd be easy to go
I
down
suppose
there.
that would be clear anyway now, wouldn't it? It's not overgrown.
Depends on that willow gate at the end, you had to scramble over.
I am loving this little trail. We're okay. There's no trains coming.
It's a dead end.
It always feels ropey when you've got a fucking train track, mind, doesn't it? Oh, post on there.
Fuck all coming. Well, that was a dead dog there.
Just a
Rubbish.
shredded up dog.
A shred up dog.
That counts as a hallucination, I reckon. Because that looks nothing like a fucking dog. Don't you, Chris? On our way to fucking Merthyr. I gotta get a few bet. So Chris has nabbed himself up a 50-mile-an-hour road with no pavement. Luckily it's Sunday. I mean it's Friday still, right?
I don't know.
It's Friday.
Friday then.
Saturday, Sunday. Oh, every time you open social media that comes up somewhere, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That fucking trending track. Did you put arrows out for yourself?
Yeah. No, that's a tip-top toilet.
That's the tip-top toilets. Apparently there's some tip-top toilets up here. Some arrows. Some shot at them. I got us turning right in 320 feet.
Over there. Or house.
Yeah, looks like. Got some horsies. So tip-top toilets wasn't just toilets, it's a business full of toilets. It surprisingly doesn't smell, so they're obviously clean.
It's a tip-top.
Oh, that's what it is. So if you ever organise an event, I highly recommend
Telephone
tip-top
number.
toilets on 01685 870 524. Tip-top toilets, tip-top Taibach. We're trying to find humour in anything at the moment. We're talking about death and everything. It's wonderful. That looks like a dead swan at the top of that tree.
Yeah, it's how you see it.
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah, the neck and the white and the wings, yeah.
So, Chris genuinely thought I was a dead animal from
So did
distance.
you from
But,
very
no, this is what I'm about to say. I actually did as well. It's not a dead sheep. Although there's some wool. What? I suppose you... Oh, right.
Where's the other arm?
Where's the other half? We are currently on a... what feels like a fucking never-ending climb on the Heads of the Valleys Road. I know where we are now.
I know where
By the new roundabout, we... Asda just over there. Is it not?
Oh, this is barber socks.
That's just for
Oh, do you know why? Do you know the? It looks similar in it, the similar brick. I'm losing my mind as well. We're lucky we got someone relatively local. Anyway, we are on the Heads of the Valleys Road almost. I don't think he's plotted us on the Heads of the Valleys Road.
Yeah, I'm a cycling bar.
We're walking along the cycle path a bit.
Yeah, I'm guessing we're going up that trail.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Down. Merthyr.
Smashing it, but that's it. Then your final bit, really, then, isn't it?
Yeah. I would say victory lap, but it's not.
Absolutely. Weather for ducks. It's getting fucking cold now. Just fucking popped in it, Chris. So he's eating a vegan roll to take his mind off it. Yeah, his bliss is popped. But yeah, sounded awful. The nav is really fucked up in there. Now we've got to climb the stile. This my hand. Wish me luck. Lead hand over. Glorious. Sausage roll in hand. Go on, buddy. Are you okay? So we've got the legends, Luke and Kat.
Yeah.
Kat's the reason why Chris is here in Merthyr in daylight, because he did speed up for a bit.
No, you're not.
Go around there.
This is a Joe route. Don't lie, don't let me go down there. Oh,
Do you know what's really handy about helping him? It's a really good kit test.
Yeah, good
Because
question.
we've just walked, so I've been testing these Salomon waterproofs.
Oh, they're better than mine. I've had these on for about 20 minutes and they're all decent.
Oh, these are great to be fair, I'm really lucky. Mid Wales.
Oh, yeah. Cool.
Yeah, so this has been bloody ideal really. I got Bowen next week.
Good.
Be using that as a test day sort of thing, you know?
Yeah. Kat said you had to be back around 6.
I was running till about 6. I want to get home because I'm up early because I got the kids.
Ah, right.
Oh no, I don't care what time I get home.
Right, going back for a date, are you?
Put in his face. Yeah, you know. Well, the wonderful business of ours. On the mean streets of Merthyr.
Yeah. Where I've left my car, like, is it still going to be there later?
Fine, Clyde.
No, I've been by a concert,
Oh yeah, I got you.
just in the middle of nowhere. It should be fine.
Sunday night, innit?
Yeah.
Everyone's home watching Heartbeat, having a bath.
That and Antiques Roadshow, I'm like,
Oh, the anti-roadshow thing goes fucking
Okay.
through me. Yeah, yeah.
I'm watching now, remember?
I'm just arsing around, man. Little moment for your fans.
Little moments. I don't know.
Yeah. There's something like that. If not,
Yeah, no.
release it. It'll go
What,
number 1.
Moments for this, or
Yeah.
moments for this part?
This part.
Just you guys. Just being
Oh,
there.
not about us. Not about like in general.
The dog that wasn't a dog, I
The
suppose.
dead dog
It wasn't. It looked like one. I'm not saying it was one. It looked
was it?
like one.
and the row of people you saw, which was just
I saw
arrows.
at a distance, like, oh, they've all come out to congratulate me in.
New
and-
chevron tattoo now.
I was like,
Congratulations to Merthyr.
I got to a dead baby, not a dead baby, but a baby that looked like it's like that.
He's been talking about dead babies splattered against the wall, dead dogs. Then he was sniffing them off the tree.
She showed me to, but peer pressure.
Full body pizza observation for you.
Not like goldfish. Not
What
goldfish.
do your toes mean, Chris? Well, take a seat. Have you ever heard of ultra running?
Walking billboard.
Basically, just eating those Haribos. Well, I don't. I eat vegan stuff, you'd say. But and run hundreds and hundreds of miles for fun.
What a day.
You almost get to see the Beaner, mate.
I know.
Buzzing for you.
Me too.
Whoop whoop. Wales.
Tomorrow.
Let's go,
Tomorrow
Wales.
I know.
So that's the end of this section.
Good night.
He's getting fed pizza while having his feet talcum powdered.
It's a joke, Chris.
Good night.
Good night, sweetheart.
There is nothing wrong with your hand.